Vice President Sara Duterte and House lawmakers engage in a heated exchange over the OVP's proposed budget. Here's the report.
Tensions flared at the House of Representatives on Tuesday during the committee hearing on the proposed 2025 budget of the Office of the Vice President. VP Sara Duterte refused to answer several questions, especially regarding confidential funds.
I would like to forgo the opportunity to defend the budget in a question and answer format.
But Duterte's request was not granted by House Appropriations Committee Senior Vice Chairperson Stella Quimbo.
We have 17 members listed for interpellation, and as you know, you've been here many times for our budget briefing, that this is an important part of the budget briefing. The GAA, the General Appropriations Act, is arguably the most important piece of legislation every year. At kasama po ito, ang pagtatanong at pakikinig po sa sagot po ninyo ay napaka-importante pong input sa aming pong trabaho. We will proceed to ask questions.
The first one to question Duterte's budget was ACT Teachers Representative Franz Castro. Castro raised the OVP's low budget utilization rate of this year's budget.
So yung utilization ay napakababa. Pero syempre comment ko lang, no, mas mabilis siya sa confidential funds. 100% in 11 days.
Madam Chair,
Duterte responded and also mentioned Castro's ongoing child abuse case.
Madam Chair, I do not understand bakit a person convicted of child abuse is still sitting in a seat
Point of
of the
order,
House of
Madam Chair. Ito yung sinasabi
Representatives.
nila.
You allowed her as my comment and then you will not allow me?
But Castro hit back at Duterte, calling the Vice President pusit, in apparent reference to squid tactics.
Since ayaw magpaliwanag ang VP, so ibig sabihin nito, yung paggastos ng 125 million ay na pera ng taong bayan ay hindi maipaliwanag. Yung tactics na ganyan, na parang parang sorry for the pusit, na kapag nasusukol na ang pusit ay nagaano ng maitim na tinta. So ayaw natin ng ganun, Madam Chair.
The Vice President then complained against the lawmakers of being unfair.
Bakit?
Yes,
Bakit napaka one-sided nito, ma'am?
noted po.
Dahil ba madami kayo dyan sa kabila at nag-iisa ako dito?
Former President and now Pampanga Salon Gloria Macapagal Arroyo came to Duterte's defense.
When we want to question something about performance, we question the 2024 budget, not the 2023 budget. What is being questioned now is the 2023 budget, which was discussed very extensively last year.
But this did not sit well with Quimbo.
It's a big amount of money. I believe we owe it to the people to understand what happened. Of course, tinanggal na natin noong 2024. Gusto natin malaman, tama ba yung ginawa natin?
Meanwhile, Kabataan Representative Raul Manuel asked about the supposed errors in Duterte's book, Isang Kaibigan.
Dahil ayaw din po ng resource person ng question and answer, then ang paraan ko na lang po ay hindi pa tanong. Tell the committee sino po ang editor ng children's book na ito.
I will forgo the opportunity to defend the Office of the Vice President 2025 budget proposal by question and answer. And I
Madam
leave
Chair,
it to the House of Representatives
I told
to
the
decide
resource
the
person to tell
proposal
this
as
committee the
presented.
name of the auditor of the children's book.
The over 5-hour hearing was eventually deferred as Duterte wasn't able to provide substantial answers. The next hearing is scheduled for September 10.
17 lawmakers pala ang supposedly nakahanda with PowerPoint presentation para tanungin siya tungkol sa budget. Ang kulit mo.
Pipikon ako sa'yo.
Pero yun, 'Diba? So, naging mainit talaga
Ay, nako.
yung usapin ng budget. Normally kasi, 'di ba, yung parang may formalities, yung proper decorum lang, 'di ba, sa mga vice president.
Yes, oo.
Wini-waive na nila yan yung deliberation. Pupunta lang doon, tapos proper decorum, formalities, tapos approve na kaagad.
Kasi yung mga recent budget naman ni VP Lenny was the lowest possible budget na bibigay sa isang office na hindi niya kinontest.
Oo.
Diba?
Kaya nga sinasabi nga
And
niya, Vice President Sara Duterte, ba't di ko alam sa kanya, ba't di niya kinokontest yung mga budget niya?
Had VP Lenny siguro requested for a large amount para sa budget niya, then I think magtatanong yung mga lawmakers.
At saka nag-umpisa to talaga na talagang iniisa-isa nila si Vice President dahil nga dun sa confidential fund.
Yeah, oo.
Diba?
Which was spent in 11 days, ilan? 100 plus million?
Saka bakit siya may
11
confidential
days.
funds when ang department niya is education?
Redundant daw because ang confidential funds for intelligence pwede daw sa ibang manggaling.
Kaya sa side ni Vice President Sara Duterte, sige, bahala na kayo mag-decide. Wala na akong sasagutin sa mga tanong nyo. Sasayang lang tayo ng oras dito. Pero still, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ating mga lawmakers sa deliberate ng budget. Okay.
Alright, let's
Abangan
move on.
natin September 10 ulit yung
September
next
10.
hearing.